welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you are here because I am now going to be showing you guys my beauty room tour. I know a lot of you guys were commenting about seeing it and I am ready to show it. I actually have it clean, so now it's the perfect time to show it. If you have not subscribed yet, please make sure to do so. It will help to notify you the next time I post another video. So this is my beauty room, and normally I keep this one door hooked, but I unhooked both of them. So this is my beauty room, and it's pretty large. And I'm not done, so don't judge me. So I'll start over here. So I have this painting, and what I plan on doing is getting a nice, and I know you guys are probably like, white, no way with kids, but I do plan on getting a white leather seat to just sit underneath there. And yeah, for now, this is just what it looks like on this wall, really nothing there. But this is my closet, and basically, it's a mess. I put all my bags up here, all of my clothes are on the side. It's really not organized yet. I just basically unpacked and put all of my clothes up. Normally you guys saw how I did it, where it was like shirts, pants, dresses, and I plan on doing that eventually, but for now, this is what it looks like. On this side, I have all of my units and then a lot of junk, and I have a lot of papers from teaching, so I plan on getting a file cabinet eventually, but that's just what it looks like. I put some hats up here, and then all of my shoes are over here. And then down below, I have my storage as well, like my swimsuits, my units are in here. I have my camera equipment over here, and then just like boxes of stuff hidden back here. But yeah, this is my closet. Now over here is when I do my makeup whenever I get around to it, and I do plan on changing it and adding a few things, maybe some more pictures on the wall, but for now this is what it looks like. Also, I forgot to mention, I like to keep my tripod and lighting in that corner. Then over here is my mirror. I got this from Walmart. I put it in my last beauty room tour, but I got it from Walmart. It's only $40. It's amazing, I love it. Over here is my computer area. I have my printer. I plan on spray painting that white, but for now it's sitting on there. And then I have my calendar up here, my laptop, as well as my desktop. So over here, what I do plan on doing is actually moving this. I have to figure out where I'm gonna move it, but I plan on putting a camera photography backdrop stand over here so I can switch out my backgrounds. I feel like I have a lot of space to do it right here. And as you can tell, it is a little a mess. I ended up storing a lot of the things that I use for, you know, teaching at home at the bottom, but I do plan on changing it. Now over here is the master bath. Now this bath is larger than the one downstairs, but our room is a little bit smaller, so that is why I went with us having the master bath downstairs, or bathroom downstairs. But this is now my bathrooms. I absolutely love it up here, mainly because of this tub. It is ridiculously amazing. Then I have this painting that I used from the beauty room, from my old beauty room, and I put it there. Then I also have two sinks, so I have this one here as well as this one right here. I like to keep a lot of my hair products over here and in here as well. So in here is the toilet. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then that is the shower. So that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tour. I do have a lot of things that I plan on changing around with it, but for now I wanted to show you just so you guys could see exactly what it looks like. As I do it, I will be making more videos, and if you guys have any ideas on what you think I could do to my room, definitely feel free to comment below because I would love any and all suggestions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely have more up really soon. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.